Cuisine, how are you?
Teacher, my name is Jenny, okay?
Janie, all right. And do you remember my name?
Ning. Great to see you again.
Nice to see you again. What did you do today? Did you do anything exciting?
Yes, I go to the park to meet my friend, Doris. She's my friend.
Doris? What did you and Doris do at the park?
We played ball.
Like football? Kick the ball?
We don't have football, we only have dodgeball.
Oh, dodgeball. Very good, excellent.
Teacher, where do you come from?
I come from Canada.
Oh, what did you like to do in Canada? Do you like to ski? Whee! Do you like to ski in Canada?
I used to ski when I was younger, but now I'm too old. So, I live in the winter time. I have a grandson your age. We like to build snowmen.
Snowmen.
Yes.
Well, I've seen snowmen.
You know,
I've seen lots of snowmen in my storybooks.
Yes. And that's what we do. We get the snow.
Teacher,
and we make a ball.
let me ask you a question. Do you like to eat ice? Do you like to eat the snow? Nom nom nom.
Eat the snow. Nom nom nom. How about the icicles?
Well, look at me. You mean like an ice pop? Nom nom nom.
Icicles actually are natural. They form outside when it's very cold.
Do you like to bite the icicles? Nom nom nom.
Yep.
Yum yum yum.
When I was young, I would eat the icicles. Yum yum yum. Yum
yum yum yum. Well,
yum yum.
Well, you mean like they are popsicles? Yum yum yum.
They're kind of like popsicles. Yes. They're yum yum yum. Very good.
Well, teacher. So do you eat maple syrup in Canada?
Yes, we have maple syrup in Canada. I like to put it on my pancakes.
Yum yum yum.
Do you know what? Yes, yum yum. Do you know what pancakes are?
Yes, especially when you put on blueberries and butter.
Blueberries and butter, yummy. And then maple syrup. Janie, do you know where maple syrup comes from?
Well, it comes from the maple tree. Well, in Canada, the national flag has a maple leaf on it. Well,
excellent.
Yes, it comes from the tree, and we drink the sap. Inside the sap, there is maple syrup.
Very good. Yes, the sap. They take the sap from the tree.
Yum yum yum.
And they cook it, and they do all kinds of things, and they make maple syrup.
Well, I like to eat tofu pudding. Well, it's kind of like tofu, and then like pudding, and then I put some maple syrup inside, and then it tastes like yum yum yum. Well, it tastes yummy.
And it tastes yummy. Here, can you see this picture? Can you see that picture here?
Oh, what is this? Oh yes, a maple syrup.
This is a maple tree, and that is the bucket that collects the sap.
Do you have a bucket, teacher? Do you have a bucket?
I don't have a bucket. I don't make the maple syrup. I go to the store, I go to the supermarket, and I buy my maple syrup.
Okay.
But this is where they get the maple syrup from. Excellent. Very good job, Janie.
Teacher, today we are going to learn about different types of cuisine, right?
Yes. I'm excited. I love food. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum. All right, Jamie, can you read this for me?
Okay. People enjoy traveling to different countries so they can try exotic foods. Each country has its own unique culinary method for creating savory meals. Today we'll take a look at a few countries and learn about some of the foods they have to offer.
Excellent, very good. Let's learn about some of the foods.
Hey, teacher.
Can you read this?
Well, there isn't a star on top.
A star on top? Oh, you want a star?
Yes.
All right, ready?
Yes.
All right. Read me this question and answer it, and I'll give you another star.
Which is your favorite type of foreign cuisine? My favorite type of foreign cuisine is sushi in Japan.
Did you go to Japan?
No,
The sushi?
I go to a Japanese restaurant to eat sushi.
Excellent. Would you like to go to Japan one day to visit?
I don't know. Well, I think
Maybe.
if I have a lot of money to take a plane to Japan, I maybe take my family to Japan.
Yes. That would be a very fun vacation.
Teacher,
A fun holiday.
Teacher, do you like to eat pasta?
Yes, I do. I love to eat pasta, like Italian, Italy, pasta, and I like pizza.
Teacher, well, I think there is something in India called curry. Well, it's inside this. Well, let me find this book.
I
Well,
love curry.
Yum yum yum. Do
Yum,
you
yum,
eat the
yum.
curry? Well, can you see the leaves here for the curry? Curry leaves.
Yes, curry. Curry in India, very, very spicy.
Ah!
You like spicy? Yeah, curry can be very spicy. Do you like spicy?
Yes, I love spicy food, especially small chili peppers.
Yeah, oh, that you
Well,
would really
I know a
like.
phrase called small chili peppers. When we say someone is a small chili pepper, it means not a chili pepper. It means that when someone is very angry.
Oh, so when you say like a chili pepper, it means somebody's angry?
Yes. And
Yes,
another meaning
like-
means a chili pepper that we eat. Well, I eat curry with some carrots, potatoes, and chicken. Well, it tastes nice, a little spicy and sweet.
Yes, it is. It's spicy and sweet. Combined. A combination of spicy and sweet. Yum,
Do
yum,
you
yum.
know what
I
does
love it.
combine mean?
Combine is if you take two things and you put them together.
Means like if we take yellow and green and blue, we will get green.
Excellent. Good job. Guess what you get? Guess what you get for being so smart? You get this guy.
Good job. So I know that guy. I got him into
And
the
you get
junior
another.
for the Halloween party. Well,
Oh,
he's
yeah.
very cute, like a doll, and a spider
He
doll.
is. He looks like a little cow or a dog. He's very cute.
Well, maybe he's a cow. He is not a dog.
Oh, yes, maybe he is that. So now you know the word combine, right?
Hey, I see a
So
small chili pepper.
You see a chili pepper?
Yes. Can you give me a pen?
Yes. I certainly will. There you go.
Well, it's up here.
Ah, yes, I see the chili pepper. I see the chili chili pepper. And what are they eating? They're eating pasta. But what else? What else can you call that? What kind of pasta is it?
Spaghetti.
Yes. Spaghetti, and it looks like meat sauce. Spaghetti and sauce.
Meat sauce?
Oops, I can't.
Why do you say oops? Sauce? I always eat that in my kindergarten and at my school. I always eat that because it's so yummy. Well, with meat sauce, I always eat meatballs with meat sauce.
Oh, you like the spaghetti and meatballs with the sauce, yes?
Sometimes with
Spaghetti
meatballs and some vegetables. Well, meatballs,
Excellent.
num num num. Well, they're like little balls. Oh, yo.
Yo, yo. All right, can you read the vocabulary for me?
Culinary, relating to cooking. I'm going to make a sentence with culinary. Steam, boil, fry, toast are different culinary methods.
Janie, can you say culinary?
Culinary. Culinary. Savory, something that is pleasant and agreeable in taste and smell but is not sweet. Curry is a savory dish in India.
Very good.
Inhabitant. Inhabitant. And the last one is inhabitant. A person or animal that lives in a certain place. In the desert, there are a few inhabitants living there.
Very good. Can you tell me what animals are inhabitants of Africa?
A lion, a leopard, a zebra, an elephant, and a giraffe, and a monkey.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. Teacher is going to South Africa. I'm going there to visit my daughter.
Well, I have a book about Africa, and the Africa movie is called The Lion King. Well, I've got the new album. It's storybook. Well, let me show it.
Okay.
Oh, and there's a wolf hog and a meerkat.
Savannah.
Yep, and another song is called Can You Feel the Love Tonight? Yep, well, and there's the lion and the...
What a wonderful phrase.
Teacher, what is that clicking sound?
Do you like that song? Oh, the clicking sound is my fingers.
Can you click? Hey, like me clicking my mouse.
Yes. Yes. You can practice it. You click down.
Hey, I can't do it.
It takes a lot of practice, Janie. It takes a lot of practice. You keep doing it and you'll get it.
Hey, teacher, there is something with this macaron. Well, it doesn't need another O, so what is the difference between macarons and macarons?
I know. I think it's just the way the French pronounce it. They just pronounce
it's
a little
okay.
differently. Can you read this about France, please?
Okay. France has fertile soil that provides its inhabitants with fresh fruits, vegetables, herbs, grains, and meats. The French are known for their sophisticated way of cooking. It is very common for people to spend up to 3 hours enjoying a leisurely meal. There are nearly 5,000 different kinds of cheeses in France, along with an array of different different breads and desserts like macarons and crème brûlée. Does crème brûlée mean caramel pudding?
Yes, crème brûlée.
Crème brûlée. serve creme brulee.
I will see if I can. It's a caramel pudding that they put fire on the top.
Well,
and they
teacher, let me tell you something about Africa. Well, teacher, I think, have you tried African food? Well,
yes.
Well, it is famous for ugali and some beer. There is a mountain, and it is famous for its beer and coffee.
For its beer and coffee?
Yes, a mountain famous for it.
In the mountain, yes. And also they eat
seafood.
A lot of seafood.
And some vegetables.
My daughter
loves
the
ugali.
other day. Oh, sorry. My daughter the other day said that she had ostrich.
Ostrich? What? The ostrich egg? Well, I've seen a toy ostrich egg, and it is made of plastic. Well, but it has holes, and I can see three ostriches. Oops, sorry, four ostriches. Well, have you ever pecked by an ostrich? Ouch!
Yes. Ouch. And isn't it funny that an ostrich is a bird, but it can't fly?
Yes, it can run even faster than us. Then our legs can run. Well, I can't run faster than an ostrich.
You think you can run faster than an ostrich?
No, I can't.
No, I can't either. What is the fastest animal? What is the fastest animal in the world?
A jaguar.
A cheetah. Yes, a cheetah.
A cheetah, is that a jaguar?
It's like a jaguar in Africa.
Like a leopard.
It's fast.
Is it a leopard?
Yes. It looks like a leopard, yes.
What does
it runs.
Well, is a leopard a cheetah?
I think they're a little bit different, but let me see. Cheetah. They're a little bit different, but they look very much the same. They have the spots. They're a little.
What about leopard? Leopard.
Yeah, it looks like a leopard. Yes, this is
leopard.
Cheetah. And
is this a female or a male? Is that a boy or a girl?
I can't tell.
Maybe this Maybe this is the male and this is the female.
Maybe that's the male and this female. But they can run as fast as a car. Oh, what happened?
Hey!
I know, we skipped ahead. Yeah, they can run as fast as a car.
Hey, teacher, we need to do the second page, not this page. We haven't read this.
Oh.
Hey, not this.
Hold on.
We need to read this. I can't see the words. Okay,
all right,
finish.
There you go. All right.
The potato is Germany's staple food, and it is prepared in many different ways throughout the country. One of the most popular ways of preparing potatoes is by making them into dumplings. Germans often add fresh fruit instead of vegetables to their meals in order to provide a sweet and sour taste. Meat is included in nearly every meal. Well, do they eat hot dogs?
They eat a lot of sausage and bratwurst.
Hot
dogs. A lot of sausage in Germany.
Well,
Can you read to me about Italy?
Oh, I can see meat sauce.
Yes, yummy. Can you read that for me, please?
Okay. A traditional Italian meal consists of 4 courses. The appetizer, the first course, pasta, soup, or risotto. Well, the risotto is here.
Yes, very good.
The main course, meat, fish, or chicken, and finally dessert. Fortunately, you are not obligated to order all of the courses while at an Italian restaurant. After the meal, many Italians were enjoying espresso. It's here.
Yes.
And like many places in Europe, you must ask your waiter for the bill once you have finished. Hey, what's wrong?
I don't know.
Once
Because
you have
it's very
finished.
uncommon.
Because it's very uncommon for the waiter to give it before being asked. So what is wrong with my pen?
What is wrong with your pencil? I don't know. I'll turn it off and then you won't have trouble. Can you read this for me, Jamie?
Okay. What do you normally drink with your meals? I need to type with an A.
All right. What do you normally drink with your meals, Jamie?
Hey! Miso.
Miso soup. Do you love miso soup?
Yes.
Yes. Excellent. Very good. Oh, can you read about Mexico? I love tacos. Can you read this?
Tacos especially looks like salmon tacos, right? I especially love salmon tacos. Mexican cuisine is a mixture of indigenous and Spanish influences. Corn is staple food, while beans and peppers are also very common. Chicken and pork are the most common meats, along with beef. There are many different chilies, such as jalapeno, poblano, serrano, and chipotle, which add flavor and spiciness. Yuck! To meals.
Yuck. This word here is chipotle. Chipotle.
Chipotle. The main dish is usually corn tortillas filled with meat, fresh vegetables, and a chili sauce. So look at those two pancakes. Well, vegetable pancakes. Well, I think
they're tortilla shells.
Tortilla shells. I think they are like Indian pancakes.
They do. They look like Indian pancakes, but they're made out of corn. Tortillas are made out of corn.
Teacher, I can see a hamburger.
And I think Indian pancakes are made out of wheat. Yes. You can see a hamburger. Can you read about the hamburger, please?
Although the U.S. is most famous for its burgers and fries, different parts of the country offer their own unique foods. Hey, there isn't a 3 and a 4 star.
They're coming. Keep reading.
Yes. Number 3 and number 4. Hey, where is the number 4 star? Yes, okay.
Oh, you got to finish reading.
In the southern part of the country, corn is commonly used. One main breakfast dish is squibs, which is ground corn that is cooked until thick and soupy. Southern fried chicken is the main food that comes to mind when people hear the phrase Southern cooking. Okra, black-eyed peas, and collard greens are the most popular vegetables, and various types of pies are eaten for dessert. Well, I love apple pie.
Do you love apple pie?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay. So
is American food popular in your country? Do you like it? Yes, I love hamburgers, fries, southern cooking, and especially McDonald's.
McDonald's. Everybody loves McDonald's. Do you like to get the toy?
What?
Do you get the toy in your McDonald's box?
No, but I don't like toys. I only gave it to my sister.
Okay, excellent. So I need to give you one more
Star.
Here comes. Excellent. Good job today, Janie. It was nice to see you
Teacher,
again.
do you want to give me a rainbow?
I have to go because I have another student, but I hope to see you again soon.
Okay, bye.
Goodbye, Janie.
Bye.
Thank you.